Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make a very instant starter, or you can even say snack recipe, and it's made of papad. So now let's begin our process.
So guys, in a pan, let's add 1 tablespoon of oil and let's spread it around. And once the pan as well as the oil is nice and hot, let's add 1 small finely chopped onion, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of ginger paste, which is adrak ki paste, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of the garlic paste, which is lasun ki paste. And now give it a quick mix and let's cook it for just about a minute. So, have you clicked on the bell icon after subscribing? If not, do it right now to get an update each time I upload a new recipe, and it's totally free. After 1 minute, let's add 1 green chili which I've finely sliced and give that a quick mix as well. Now it's time to add 1 small capsicum which is finely chopped and give that a mix. And now we are going to cook the capsicum and the onions for the next 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, let's add some salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder, which is dry mango powder, 1/4 teaspoon of kitchen king masala, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi, which is turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Here I'm using Kashmiri red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. And now let's mix everything in. So let the masalas get to know each other, let it get mixed and let it get coated on all of the onions and the capsicum. And now I just added some fresh dhania, which is cilantro, and we're going to mix it all in and cook it for the next 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, it's time to add about 150 grams of grated paneer or cottage cheese, which comes to about 1 cup, and give it a good mix. Once the paneer is nicely mixed in, it's time to turn off the flame and remove our paneer mix in a bowl and let it come down to room temperature. And while our paneer mix is coming down to room temperature, let's prepare our slurry. So I've taken 2 tablespoons of maida, which is all-purpose flour, and added 3 tablespoons of water. And now we are just going to give it a good mix. Everything needs to be mixed in and our slurry will be ready. It doesn't need to be very thin nor very thick. See, this is the right consistency that you want your slurry to be at. And here I have taken 2 papad. Now you can take any papad that you have in your house, and I'm folding it into half. And then we are again going to fold that half into half. So we're going to get 4 parts out of 1 papad. So now I'm just going to take 1 teaspoon of the paneer mix and land it on top of the quarter papad. And then apply little bit of slurry on the edges of the papad or the corners of this papad. And guys, once you are done applying the slurry on the edges, let's take the other quarter papad and press it down on top like so. You can apply a little pressure by just pressing it down, or you can even take it in your hand and press it down firmly. And now let's just make sure that the top and the bottom of the papad are sticking to each other, or else they might open while we shallow fry them. And here we go. We have 1 pocket of the papad ready, and I have simply repeated the same process and made many more. Now guys, let's add some oil for shallow frying in a pan and spread it around. Once the oil is nice and hot, let's add 2 of these papad pockets or stuffed papad in the hot oil. Now guys, it takes hardly any time for the papad to cook, so just keep an eye and keep flipping them after every few seconds. And I'm using some tongs, which makes my life way easier while cooking this papad pocket. And look, we are almost done. So once we are done, and once it's little golden brown in color from both sides, let's remove our papad, stuffed papad, onto a plate covered with a paper towel so that it sucks away the excess oil. And then simply going to repeat the process again. And voila, look at our stuffed papad, or you can call it papad pockets. Oh, they're looking absolutely delicious, aren't they?
And guys, I absolutely cannot resist it, so I'm giving it a try. You get this really nice papad taste, but along with it, there is a nice surprise. So guys, definitely make this. See, you can see the stuffing. Oh, it's really yum. It's a very nice dish. Try it. Do let me know what you think about it. If you like this recipe, you're definitely going to like many more. But before you click on any of these links, click on this link to subscribe and then click on these links because these are recipes which you don't want to miss. And I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, take care. Bye bye.